guys, it's Risa. Thank you so much for subscribing and all your wonderful comments. I absolutely love them. So what's for lunch today? This can be a lunch, this could be a snack, it could be a dinner, but today it's my lunch and I'm having my taco lettuce wraps. So here's the taco meat. I'm using extra lean ground chicken. You can check out my recipe on YouTube with grilled vegetables, but you can use anything, turkey meat, beef. You have to account for the beef though. You could use beans as a replacement. You could use tofu. Lots of options. That's what I love about recipes. Some lettuce. I'm just going to have some extra cucumbers. I made a delicious mango salsa. And then I have just some extra fruit and even a little bit of guacamole for a change. You can dip your veggies in any kind of dressing. I love the Bolthouse, but you can use anything or nothing. Always remember your water. That's really vital and key on our journey, right? So this is it. Really low carb. I'm not saying you can't have it on a tortilla or some crackers if you want, but it's a low carb option. Very filling. Lots of protein, good veggies, and I love to have some extra fruit. Look at that pretty fruit. Just cut it up and have that. And my mango salsa, you'll check that out also on YouTube for a delicious, delicious meal or snack item, okay? So here it is. I hope this helps you on your journey as well. And you come visit me on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. And don't forget to share with your Weight Watcher peeps, or anybody on a health journey can come aboard my group and share my recipes as well. All recipes are written under the video unless I do a video like this because I've already done videos. So you can check my lettuce taco wraps and my salsa. Okay? Take care. Love you guys.